La Cour.
Sit down. I declare open the public hearing on the admissibility and merits in the case of Demopoulos versus Turkey and 7 other cases against Turkey. These cases were lodged on 26 January 1999, 17 January and 8 March 2002, 11 April 2003, 27 February, 5, 11 and 31 March 2004, with the court under Article 34 of the Convention, by 18 Cypriot nationals, of whom 4 are present at today's hearing: Mr. Demetrios Lordos, Ms. Evdokia Karalombu Onufriou, Mr. Dimitris Onufriou, and Mr. Nicolas Onufriou. The applications were allocated to a section of the court pursuant to Rule 52, paragraph 1 of the Rules of Court. These applications were respectively communicated and re-communicated to the government on 4 March 2008. On 19 May 2009, the Chamber decided to relinquish jurisdiction in favor of the Grand Chamber, none of the parties having objected. The Turkish government are represented by their agent, Mr. Nekatigil, assisted by Sir Michael Wood, counsel, and Mr. Talmon, Mr. Karbakak, Mr. Uras, Mr. Ezener, Madame Akshai, Ms. Akuzlu Elange, Ms. Akpak, and Mr. Furlong, advisors. The applicants are represented by Mr. David Anderson, QC, Mr. Dimitriades, Mr. Markidis, Mr. Cleridis, Ms. Vukidou Liazidis, Mr. Neocleus, counsel, assisted by Ms. Loisides, Mr. Paraskeva, Mr. Poliviu, Mr. Arakelian, Mr. Angelidis, Mr. Liazidis, and Mr. Leach, advisors. The intervening government, the Republic of Cyprus, are represented by their agent, Mr. Cleridis, assisted by Lord Lester of Fernhill, QC, Mr. Lowe, QC, Mr. Saini, QC, Mr. Richards, and Ms. Ioannidis, counsel. I welcome the applicants and the representatives of the parties in the name of the court. I would also like to welcome several delegations of judges visiting the court today, from the African Court of Human and People's Rights, from the French Conseil d'État, from the French judiciary, as well as from the Russian Federation and Bosnia-Herzegovina. Having consulted the agent of the government and the representatives of the applicants, I have determined the order of addresses as follows. Sir Michael Wood for the Turkish government will speak first, and then Mr. Anderson and Mr. Dimitriadis for the applicants, followed by Mr. Lowe and Mr. Saini for the intervening government of the Republic of Cyprus. I would explain that in addition to interpreting in the 2 official languages of the court, English and French, interpreting into Bosnian has been authorized for the benefit of a group of judges from Bosnia and Herzegovina who are on a study visit to the court. That interpreting is not arranged by the court, and no transcription of the oral translation will be included in the official record of the proceedings. I call Sir Michael Wood. Sir Michael, please.